Hello guys, this is JNM with the next Python tutorial for beginners, and in this one I want to show you how to use modules with Python. So let's get started with a new project here in PyCharm and create a new Python file and call it modules.py. So what are modules in Python? Well, modules are files that you can import into your current Python file to use the definitions and functions that are contained in this file. To include modules into your program, you use the keyword import followed by the name of the module. For example, the math module. It contains mathematical functions like sine or constants like the number pi and many more. You can access these functions and definitions by typing the name of the module followed by a point and then the particular function or definition. Let me show you a simple example for using the sine function of the math module here. We define a degree variable, use the number pi of the math module to calculate the radiant, and then call the sine function with the radiant as parameter. Then I use the print function to print out the result. Alright, you can also go ahead and just import the sine function and the pi definition and not the whole module. To do this, you write from, then the name of the module, followed by the functions you want to import. In our case, this is from, math, import, sine, comma, pi. And now you call these functions as if they were defined in the current file, without the module's name as prefix. Another option for importing modules is to define an alias for the imported module. Then you write import, then the name of the module, as, followed by the alias. Here I defined m as alias for the math module, so I have to use m as prefix to call the functions of the math module. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to define a function called getSine that calculates the sine value for a degree parameter. I'm adding this because I want to treat my modules.py file as a custom module that I will import into a file that I'm going to create later on. After importing this, I will have access to the function getSine that I just created. So let's do this. Let's add a new Python file to the project and call it module test. So here's the empty file, and now let's import the modules file as module just like we did before for the math module. And now we are able to call the getSine function from our own custom module. Of course, you can also just import the getSine function, then you write from modules import getSine. The last thing that I want to show you is using the package manager pip that comes with Python to install external packages. Just open the command prompt and type in pip install and then the name of the package like Numpy here. Think of packages as collections of modules, and Numpy is a fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. I already installed Numpy before, so the package manager is able to get it from my cache, but otherwise it would find and download it by its name from the package index website. Now that we installed Numpy, we are able to import the Numpy module and use, for example, functions to multiply matrices. In this simple example, I just defined two lists with numbers, call multiply from the Numpy module and print out the result, which is also a list containing the multiplied numbers. Okay guys, that's it what I want to show you. I really hope you liked the tutorial, and if you do, then let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click this little bell icon to be notified when new videos are online. Thanks a lot for watching, thanks for your support, and see you soon on JNM.